Kittson County has miles of dirt roads serving its extensive cropland, pastures, hunting land, and cabins. But high levels of soil salinity create a naturally weak subgrade.
These roads tend to become impassable after a summer rain for at least a couple of days and are also exposed to heavy loads from trucks hauling harvested crops or supplies.
In 2019, the Kittson County Highway Department received an opera grant to develop a low-cost way to improve these dirt roads by adding sandy aggregate. An area railroad provided excess piles of this aggregate at a bargain price.
The opera grant was a great way to fund the project and get the word out to local farmers about this opportunity for low-cost improvements using the Class 3 aggregate.
Highway Department staff selected 2 miles of township dirt road to test ways to apply the aggregate material. They found it worked best to add a layer of the sandy material on top of the dirt road. Department staff monitored the road segment after rainfall events and used a motor grader to maintain the road throughout the summer. With more traffic and rainfall, the materials became more consolidated and held up better to heavy loads. Staff also used a loaded truck to test the sand top road. In July, rutting had decreased by 38%, or 1 inch, over the first mile, and 30%, or nearly an inch, over the second mile. A second test rolling in August showed a decrease in rutting along both stretches in excess of 40%. Local farmers in the research project area had expressed skepticism about the project.
However, after the sand was consolidated with dirt over time and traffic traveling on the road, farmers felt that the road did perform better for the heavy harvest loads.
The Kittson County Highway Department project team concluded that the project produced a significant reduction in rutting by applying sandy aggregate to the dirt road. These findings also could benefit other local agencies, townships, and even private landowners with access to low-cost material and a goal to improve their local dirt roads.